Today on MCTour Ohio, we're visiting AIMExpo in Columbus, Ohio. This is the largest showcase of motorcycle and power sports industry in North America. Look at the riders, guys. They took advantage of the good weather and free parking. It's great to see all the bikes. The show was very well put together and just a really nice experience. Whether you ride a Goldwing like us or some other brand, there was something for everyone. We've been to a few motorcycle shows over the years. It was nice to see the convention center full of vendors. There was also a great mix of old and new riders, old technology and new technology. The amount of electric bikes there was just out of this world. For us Goldwingers, there was also some new tech on display. Check out these comfort bars from National Cycle for your favorite highway pegs or footrests. It allows you to put them in any location best suited for you. National Cycle also had the V-Stream N222 on display. This has a patented V-shaped contour that supposedly pushes the wind vortex away from the rider's head. This results in improved riding environment. If you've ridden with one of these screens, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. I'll put a link to both products in the description. Honda also had their tricked out lowered Goldwing. For those of you that have seen this on YouTube, it is a sight to see. It's a beautiful bike, just amazing. Would love to have that seat, wouldn't you guys? Well guys, Lexin finally did it, a wireless charger for the Ram X mount. It's due out in 2 months and we got to see it first here. This is going to be a great addition to my motorcycle. If you like what you see here, give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. If you click the little bell icon, you'll get notifications when we post new videos. So as I was saying in the intro, there's a lot of electric motorcycles. This is Harley Davidson's entry into the electric motorcycle world. Check it out. It's definitely not your dad's Harley. So in addition to Harley Davidson, lots of other vendors are getting into the electric market. Check out these kids riding around on electric motorcycles. It's great to see the young kids getting involved at an earlier and earlier age. Some of you may not be aware that Rolling Thunder in Washington, D.C. was canceled, but Ohio is picking up the ball. So in 2020, they're going to have Rolling Thunder Ohio, and it's going to take place at the National Veterans Memorial Museum. This is a great location to basically kick off this wonderful event. So as we were walking around the convention floor, we found this vendor called Cruztools. They make vendor-specific tool pouches. The one for Honda is there at the bottom of the screen. As you all know, they don't make vendor tool pouches with your new motorcycles anymore, so this is going to be a great addition to my bike. I'm going to pick one up on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. So thanks for coming along on the ride with us to see AIMExpo. We look forward to seeing you next time on MCTour Ohio.